No, you didn't.
Where is it?
Hat.
Where? On the
The
bill?
dot on your hat.
On the bill?
The dot on top of your hat. Oh.
I'm not gonna let it go. Ah! That was my eye!
Nice.
Again with the eye.
If I go blind, I
What
can
you need?
kill
You really need to have two.
What?
You really need to have two.
Yes. Or my depth perception goes crazy.
But that perception we yeah, Kakashi
Are
does
you getting
it.
video?
Yes.
Look at my hands. They're all red.
Let me see your camera.
Yeah, it's recording right now.
You're in my sweaty armpit.
That's lovely.
See me?
Chrissy.
Yes.
I got it!
Oh.
Right.
What'd you do this time, Jing?
Oh, I missed it. I hate this thing.
Chrissy, you getting video?
You need another one?
Yes. Your hands in the way, Rachel.
No.
You're in my sweaty
Emma,
armpit.
Where is it now?
look.
Yeah, Yuri.
I can't find it.
No.
No! Where is it? Gosh dang it.
Emma, you're gonna get... Never mind.
I'm gonna get what?
Babe.
I like her
Emma,
response.
find me.
Are you getting video of this?
I
Yes.
am going to kill you if you shed that. Gosh dang it! That's it. You're dying now. You are dying.
Yeah, I go for the eye.
You are dying.
Look a dot.
But nobody heard me. Where'd it go?
Inside the hole.
What hole? That? I'm not going in there.
But it's got Kakashi in it. And Shigure and
It has Pretty Boy
Hattori
I hate you. If you really
and
wasn't there,
Neji
I
and
would laugh.
Kiba.
Candace's tongue is soft.
And Pretty Boy.
And how would you
Turn.
Chrissy.
I don't even want to know.
Chrissy,
You wanna
you
see?
forgot someone.
Oh, and I stalked Pretty Boy.
I have Pretty Boy
Kidnapped
as a
him.
friend on MySpace.
That's nice. Tied him up with rope and then stuck him up under there.
Would you please quit mentioning him? I hate that stupid dot.
For something you're gonna say you hate Pretty Boy. It's like, Emma!
No, I could never hate him.
It's already blood red.
Give me that thing. I'm
Pleasant.
going to throw that thing in an incinerator.
Yes.
Get it now.
I'm
That
not even
sounds
gonna
naughty.
comment.
That's
An
it. You're getting
ending.